back, my friends, and happy Friday. This is Lindsay coming at you with another work from home job lead. This one is again in the healthcare field. We should just call it Healthcare Friday, but we will not waste any time. We will just dive on in. The company Nonstop Administration, they are a fast-growing healthcare insurance company, and they're trying to achieve the goal of offering employer-sponsored group health insurance solution called their Nonstop Wellness Plan. And they are hiring customer support representatives to answer questions about this wellness plan. So the primary responsibilities is to demonstrate strong customer service skills when you're helping members navigate through their medical benefit offerings through Nonstop. You'll guide them through filling out insurance forms, how to read their EOBs or summary of benefits, coverages, explanation of benefits, all of those things. You'll walk members through their durable medical equipment in-house approval process. You'll help members identify any needs that they have, research information, and just overall help them with their insurance plan and benefits. Now, this is a full-time position. They are paying $28.85 per hour. On top of that, they are offering cellular and internet reimbursement, so they will pay for your internet and your cell phone. They also offer the standard benefit package of medical, dental, vision benefits, and 401k. Now, if that sounds like it is for you, they are looking for someone who has the ability to adapt to changing requirements and keep a positive attitude. Someone who is a confident, critical thinker and a problem solver. Someone who has great organizational skills and can be a multitasker. You need to be able to commit to deadlines and get work in on time. And they are looking for someone who has a high school diploma or GED. If this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads. I hope everyone has a fabulous weekend, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. Two videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.